Are you dreaming of a hassle-free trip from Bicol to Manila or vice versa? With no agents,
Mr. Anderson.
with no long lines, here's how to do it in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and search for Bicol Isarog. If that website comes up with a 404 error, search for Bicol Dalawarog. If that also comes up as a 404 error, then look up Bicol Tatlorog. Anyway, this isn't a paid ad. We're just helping out those who keep asking how to book this comfy sleeper bus. Or type in bicolisarog.com and hit enter. Once the site loads, you can accept the cookies if you want. No biggie. Personally, I would accept cookies. I mean, they taste good. But since we're talking about the digital cookies, which makes me so sad, yeah. Now, select whether you're booking a round trip or a one-way trip. For this demonstration, I'm going to pick the one-way travel from Bicol to Manila this time. This isn't a paid ad, it's just that many of you are still asking how to book this sleeper bus. Next, choose your place of origin and your destination. I'll select Albay for this demonstration. Then it will prompt you to this page. Reminder, if you are in Albay, make sure to choose Daraga, not Legazpi. The sleeper bus pickup point is in Daraga. For some reason, they don't pick up passengers in Legazpi terminal. Then select the specifics to your destination. Let's say Aurora, Cubao. After that, select your date of departure, which is when do you want to travel. Next, select the number of passengers. The fare is the same for adults and children, but infants ride for free as long as there is one per adult. Now I know what Mama's going to do. Right, Mama? You're going to make me a fetus so that you won't pay extra money? Right, Mama? Are you going to do that?
Put you in my tummy!
Simply enter how many adults and kids are traveling. And if you're bringing an infant, make sure you've booked at least one adult ticket. Once done, click Find Trips. Don't forget to read this. Free baggage up to 20 kilograms for every ticket purchase. For passengers availing discounted fares, purchase your tickets from the terminal ticketing booths, which most of them are in the bus terminal. Pet animals are allowed inside the bus, but they must be put in a cage. If you have a pet like a leopard or a hippopotamus, there are pet-friendly buses which have a trip code which is indicated here as well. Just be mindful of the trip codes. Click OK. Bicol Isarog currently operates only one sleeper bus per schedule with 2 departure options daily. The evening trip, ideal for overnight travel, or the morning trip for daytime journeys. Note, there is limited seats. Book early to secure your preferred bunk, which is the upper or the lower bunk. The fare breakdown as of today, the base fare, which is 2,050 pesos per ticket, the convenience and booking fee, which has like 122 pesos, and the total is 2,172 pesos and 60 cents. Pro tip, fees may vary slightly based on payment method. You double check before confirming. Click OK to proceed. Fill in your passenger details. Name as per valid ID. Age group and gender for booking purposes. Email. Your e-ticket will be sent here. Double check spelling errors. These may cause issues during boarding. Provide your contact details. And your address. Next, to proceed to seat selection. Choose your preferred seat. Oh, and just for heads up, L for lower bunks and U for upper bunk. Here's how the color-coded seating works. The blue ones are for available seats. The gray ones are already booked. Sorry, but you have to pick another one. The pink ones are your selected seat, which is on temporary hold. And the orange ones are reserved for senior citizens. Note, if your age group is 25 years old to 35 years old, the system won't let you pick these. How to select and deselect your seat. Click a blue seat and it will turn green. That's your choice. And if you change your mind, click the green seat again to deselect and it'll revert back to blue. Pick another available seat and confirm. Are you done? Click proceed to payment to lock in your cozy bunk. There are 2 types of payments. Dragon Pay, which you can pay over the counter, and Paynamics for online payments. Let me walk you through the Dragon Pay payment process step by step. After selecting Dragon Pay as your payment method, you'll need to carefully review and tick 2 important boxes. First, confirm your trip summary details to ensure all information is correct. And second, acknowledge the terms and conditions. Once these are checked, click the Pay Now button to proceed. At this point, you'll see Dragon Pay's extensive list of payment options appear on the screen. The system conveniently offers both over-the-counter and digital payment methods to suit your preference. You can choose from popular online banking, /e-wallets and over-the-counter, /ATM banking and over-the-counter others. There's a list on the screen. Pause if you want to see the full list. Each payment method will provide specific instructions. For instance, if you select GCash, then tick the box to agree to the terms and conditions. Next, press select and click the button below to receive the deposit instructions via email or SMS. You'll receive a payment link via SMS or email to complete the transaction. Remember, you typically have a 24-hour window to finalize your payment before your booking reservation expires. A helpful tip, always take a screenshot of your payment reference number for your records and future reference, as this serves as proof of your transaction. Here's how to complete your payment through Paynamics. Carefully review and tick the required boxes to confirm your trip details and accept the terms and conditions. Click the Pay Now button to proceed to the payment options. If you're choosing credit or debit card, select the appropriate option and then enter your card details, either Visa, MasterCard, JCB, Amex, or Diners Club. After filling in the required information, click Pay Now. You may receive an OTP or a one-time PIN from your bank for verification. Enter the code to complete the transaction. Keep in mind that an 11 peso service fee will be added to your total fare. For e-wallet, there's only one selection, and that's GCash. Tick the Pay via GCash box. It also includes the 50 peso service charge. Tick the I agree to the terms and conditions. Click Pay. You'll be redirected to the GCash app. Authorize the payment. Wait for confirmation. Your e-ticket will be sent via email and SMS. And the last one is the over-the-counter options. For those preferring cash payments, over-the-counter, non-bank, go, and pay in cash at the counter. It includes Easy Pay outlets, which is a 28 pesos fee. You can check all their Easy partners on their website, easypay.com/ph. SM bill payment counters, which is 28 pesos service fee at any SM mall. And 7-Eleven stores, which is an 89 peso service fee via click-to-queue kiosk. Remember, all payments must be completed within 24 hours, but upon checking, 7-Eleven payment can be completed within 34 hours. And e-tickets are typically sent immediately for digital payments, while cash payments may take 1 to 2 hours to process. Keep your payment confirmation until after your trip, and contact Bicol Isarog's hotline if you encounter any issues, or you can email them on the list provided. Happy travels!